Today we are making creamy vanilla ice cream Philadelphia style, no eggs required. To make this recipe, you will need 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. And now, to my mixing bowl, I will whisk together the milk and the sugar until the sugar is completely dissolved. Now we're going to stir in our heavy cream, vanilla extract, and salt. And this is a Philadelphia-style ice cream. It does not contain any eggs. Now we're going to pour this mixture into an empty container, and we're going to chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until the top of the mixture is just slightly set. At this point, we're ready to pour this into our ice cream maker, and we're going to churn this according to the manufacturer's instructions. Now, if you do not have an ice cream maker, do not fret. You can still make this recipe. You're going to pour this into a shallow container, place it in the freezer, and then you are going to stir this every 30 minutes for 2 to 3 hours, or until the ice cream is firm. And now, for the most important part of this recipe, you are going to take your ice cream. You are going to put it in a serving dish, and you are going to enjoy every last bite. This is so creamy, so rich, so delicious. This tastes like pure joy in every scoop. Now, if you are looking for more ice cream recipes, I have an entire playlist of amazing recipes that you can make at home. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more great recipes. Now here's another recipe that you might want to try. It's my 3-ingredient creamy chocolate ice cream. To make this recipe, you will need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 can, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, and half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Now to a large bowl, add your heavy whipping cream and whip this on high speed until stiff peaks form. In a separate bowl, combine your sweetened condensed milk and your cocoa powder and mix this on low speed until the cocoa powder is completely dissolved and the mixture is smooth. Now you are going to gently fold this chocolate mixture into your whipped cream. Be careful not to deflate your whipped cream. Once this is all combined, pour this into a container, cover it, and freeze this for at least 6 hours or overnight. Now if you want to get fancy, you can swirl these 2 ice creams together to create a marble effect. Just layer spoonfuls of each into your container and then swirl it all together with a knife and then freeze it. You can also add mix-ins such as cookie dough or fudge ripple. I have plenty of recipes on my channel that you can use to make those. At this point, you are going to take your ice cream. You are going to put it in a container, and you are going to enjoy every last bite. This is so creamy, so rich, so delicious. This tastes like pure joy in every scoop. Want to save this recipe? Just click on the link below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more great recipes.